Hello everybody, welcome to today's class on Galileo Travelport. Galileo Travelport is one of the best GDS you can subscribe for, or you can learn how to use in making your reservations in your travel companies. So it's very easy to use. So today's class I'm going to be showing us how to display an availability, different ways to display availability on Galileo Travelport. Different way to display availability on Galileo Travelport. Thank you once more for watching, for subscribing. Thank you very much. Okay, so without wasting much time, the next I want to show us is the number one, how to display availability, different way to display availability in Galileo Travelport. The first is availability display. The normal way of displaying availability without putting an airline. Availability display without putting an airline, but with date. This is the code. This is how it is. Alpha 23 December, Abuja to Addis Ababa without an airline. Without an airline. Okay, this one is to display availability without an airline. As you can see, this is the result. The system is bringing it to us without an airline. As you can see, this is line 1 to Addis Ababa, line 2 to Addis Ababa, line 3, line 4, line 5. Line 5 and line 6. Line 6 is the connecting flight of line 5. So line 7, as you can see, connecting flight, line 7 connecting flight of line 6 is the connecting flight of line 7. As you can see, this is without an airline. And you can see something here. Need more flights. Just going to click it to display more for you. Keep moving down. As you can see, there's more flights. Click it. But the best is actually at the top. You can see the best is actually at the top. These are the best from here to here. From here down, out, connecting flight down. Do you understand? This is the first way to display availability without an airline. The first way to display availability without an airline. This is the code. A, availability 23rd December, Abuja to Addis Ababa without an airline. So the next we are going to do, let me ignore this. The next is to display availability orderly by departure time. Availability ordered by departure time. We want to display availability by departure time. So Alpha 22 December, Abuja to London Heathrow. No, by departure time. Have availability by departure 22 December, Abuja to London Heathrow. ABB London Heathrow. You can see availability by departure time 22 December, Abuja to London Heathrow without an airline. As you can see, it's displayed by departure time. By departure time. This availability by departure time. is availability by departure time. The next is to display availability by journey time. By journey time. By journey time. Just come here and put J here. 22 December, ADD to London Heathrow. By journey time. This is by journey time. This is by journey time. The next is to display availability. By arrival time. By arrival time. But this can only work in a native Travelport. By arrival time. But how to do that? Just AA 20th December, ADD to ADD. As you can see, they are all the same. So next is displaying availability for 7 days on or after 21 or 28. On or 7 days on or after the date of departure. To display availability, let me just put the code. AF 22 December, ADD to ADD. This display is to display a flight for 7 days on or after 22 December. 7 days on or after 22 December. Yes, this is it. As you can see, 7 days on or after this date. That's the display. So the next is to display for a specific flight. Display availability for a specific flight. About 20th December, Abuja to Addis Ababa / This is a specific flight. Using a specific flight. Display availability by a specific flight. You can see only this flight we are seeing here is only Ethiopia Airlines, a specific flight. This is how it works. We are displaying availability for a specific flight. If you want to display availability in the specific flight, including codeshare, you can do this. Including codeshare, you can do #. This one will display a specific flight, availability for a specific flight, including a codeshare flight. As you can see. As you can see. And again, there's another one. If you want to display availability for a specific flight, including a codeshare flight. It will include flight for a specific airline, only excluding codeshare flight. If you want to exclude the codeshare flight, this is what you do. And you have excluded all codeshare flight. You've minus all codeshare flight. You just want to display only the specific airline that is going to Addis Ababa. That is the code. This is the code. So next is to display availability. Next is to display availability for a specific carrier display. Specific carrier display. That is a specific carrier display. This is for a specific carrier display. Display availability for a specific carrier display. The next is to display flights for specific alliances. Flight for specific alliances. Availability to display flights for specific alliances. Specific alliances. Okay, let me open a note. Okay, no worry. The specific alliances. Okay, let me just, the alliances we have are this, this is Star Alliance. This is Star Alliance. This is Star Alliance. Next we have as there is pool. This is one word alliance. Next we have S. This is for Sky. This is for Sky 10. This is for Sky 10. So as you can see, we have 3. This is for Star Alliance, this is for Onward, and this is for Sky Team. So now, the question is how to display a specific alliance carrier. So let's play with it. So how to do that? A, availability 20th December, Lagos to YYZ. You want to display for a specific Star Alliance. What you do is // let's check for a specific Star Alliance of this Star Alliance as there is A. Don't forget A is Star Alliance. Enter. So this is going to display only Star Alliance. So all these are Star Alliance airline. United Airlines, Air Canada, United Airlines, Air Canada. All these are Star Alliance. You can move down. Air Canada choose a Star Alliance airline. You can keep moving down. So this is how to display availability for a particular Star Alliance. Okay, let's change the Star Alliance to S. Let's see. To Sky Team. So Sky Team are Delta Airline, Virgin Atlantic. You see them, Delta, Virgin Atlantic. This is how to display using a specific Star Alliance. Okay, let's change the city now to London, Heathrow. Okay. We are using Sky 10. So London Heathrow, Virgin Atlantic, Air France, KLM are all Sky 10. What about Oscar? Sky 10. Let's see which airlines are on Sky 10 going to London Heathrow. Okay. Sky 10 are BA, Maroc. Can move down. Can move down. These are for Sky 10. Sky 10. So these are for Sky 10. Okay, thank you very much for this class today. We're gonna call it a day so we can just learn what we studied previously. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Thank you for always being here. See you next class. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Love you all.